How to remove unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to remove unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Inshot application on your device. Make sure you have installed updated version of Inshot app. Now tap on the Photos button at the bottom center of the screen and then select the specific photo where you want to remove the unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. Once the picture or photo is loaded on the screen, you can see different kinds of tabs that help us to edit and remove the unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. Simply, you have to use the PIP tool or PIP tool with the same photo, zooming in as needed. So once you have done that, you can easily use the transparency or adjust the transparency and the marks using the circle option. So you simply need to select the part where you wanna or select the part of the photo you wanna marks, or after creating the satisfactory marks you can easily zoom in or again and again and adjust the position to cover the unwanted objects precisely. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.